How to change your operating language in Android. Now in order to do that, simply open your settings app and after that scroll down to all the way to bottom to find this option of general management. Now tap to general management and from there you need to select language from very top. Simply select that and after that you will see all of the language that you have downloaded. If you can't find the language that you would like to change to, tap to add language and from this section you can very easily select the language which you want. Then go back to this page and select the language that you would like to set now. For example, I have English UK set now. In order to change, select the other language. In my case, I'll select Spanish from here and tap to apply. You just simply need to do the similar process and your operating system's language will be changed in your Android. As you can see here, mine is already changed. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.